What's going on YouTube? It's your mentor Ken here. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a brief rundown, brief overview of EPS, Email Processing System. Now, some of you may have heard of EPS, some of you may have not. To be honest, over the past year or so, it's been catching like wildfire all over the internet. And for everyone from newbies to intermediate to experienced marketers are crushing it with this stupid, simple little program. So including myself. So I wanted to share this with you today. I also wanted to explain why am I showing you a $25, $50, and $100 program when my main business is substantially more than that. Well, there's a reason for it. You're going to want to hang tight to the end of the video to hear exactly why that is, because it's truly could be transformational on how you operate your business today to allow you to scale things up in your current business, whatever that is, so much faster, as fast as 2 to 3 times more, in fact. So sit tight to the end. This won't be super long, but it will be value packed for you, and you don't want to miss that. So here we go, diving right in. So again, what is EPS? What is Email Processing System? Well, it's really a simple online business that really anyone can do. And I'm not just saying that because it sounds nice to say. I've gone through the Facebook group. I've connected with lots of people in this business. I've met people that are working at Subway and they're making really good money with this program. It's just really blowing my mind. Again, remember, I've been online 10 plus years. I've seen lots of companies come and go, lots of products come and go. And in fact, I created a product like this myself about 10 years ago, very similar, 3-product system, instant PayPal direct pay, and it crushed it. It did really well. And here we are 10 years later, and history is repeating itself again. The good news is I didn't have to build it, somebody else did. But here we go. So let me give you a quick review, quick rundown of the page that you get when you join, and then you have to pay for it, but it's only 13 bucks. And it's actually really worth it. That includes unlimited hosting. There's nothing else you need to set up. You provide them the information, they set up your page for you so you can start making instant PayPal commissions. Pretty cool. So here you go, become your own CEO. You will get your own picture added here, okay, with a nice About Me section, so it brands you and your name. Very, very important. You never want to be in a business where you're not branding yourself, okay? Quick video presentation, which is pretty sweet to the point. This business is perfect for it. You get all that, unemployed, underpaid, disabled, college students, retirees, anyone who needs more income and is ideally looking to do that from home. So there you go. How does it work? How does any business work? You make sales. How do you make sales? You advertise. The good thing about this, they give you all the ads. They literally give you, there's a PDF that comes with it. It's like 5 pages of high converting ads that, are working like crazy. So here you go. Create a Premier account, 25 or 50 or 100. As long as you have a computer with internet access, honestly, you probably don't even need a computer with something as simple as this. Your smartphone would do, and you can crush it following the simple instructions they give you. Here's some nice proof of sales that are made. Now, keep in mind, no income claims, no income guarantees. Whatever business you're in, that your success is 100% dependent on your own efforts put into that business. So if you buy a product and you stare at it or it sits and collects dust on your hard drive on your computer, or you never log in and never do the training, guess what? You will never make money in that product or in that business or online with that type of action or input. You will never see the output that you desire without the necessary input that's required. So always remember that, whatever business you're in. So, but with that, this is probably the easiest business that I've seen for newbies to come in and just crush it. I'm probably going to get the domain name bestbusinessfornewbies.com because it really is that simple. And I'm seeing, like I said, I met this really nice gal. She's, probably pretty young, works at Subway, as her part-time job, and she's making $100 sales, $50 sales, on a consistent basis, not spending money on advertising, just following the training that they give you with that product package, okay? And what they mean by emails processed, no, you're not processing emails, you're making sales, you're selling the products. But with that being said, when someone buys the product, they need to submit an email to the admin for them to set up their website so they can then start promoting the product. So that's what they mean. So don't get emails confused here. Really, it should say sales process per day, but 3 at the $25 package, you're making 75 bucks a day. I like to look at it. If you make 1 at the $100 package, you make $100 a day. That's $3 grand a month. Easy, 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 easy money. Okay, more income proof. Again, no guarantees. And here we are. So, are you ready to get started to change your life? Boom. $25 package, 50 and 100. What do each of them get you? Different access to the products. Okay, do you want limited access to the training, which is very good training? Again, 10-year internet marketer, putting my stamp of approval on this training. Or do you want the maximum level of training, which also, if you want to make money and you want to promote the business, promote your website, then this is what you do. You get it at the $100 level, and you can now start promoting all 3 with your PayPal link automatically set up here for you from the admin of this program, and you collect the payments directly to your PayPal. So if you joined, set it up, started following the training, got your links out there, started generating leads, you could make sales within a matter of days. Some people have even made it same day, just depending on how quick and how much action they took on the training that day. Here you go, some more success stories. And then some bonuses. So looking at this for the first time, like, yeah, these are probably just some BS bonuses, that they give you to try to entice you to obviously buy the product, which there's nothing wrong with that if it's a good product by itself. However, looking at the training bonuses that they give you here, I was actually impressed. So to be perfectly clear with everyone, in fact, the YouTube Total Takeover, I'm on YouTube right now. You're on YouTube right now. If you want to make a boatload of sales in whatever business you're in and brand yourself to the moon and back, you need YouTube. YouTube will be one of your best friends in doing so. The training product teaches you how to do that. Instagram, another key asset in your marketing arsenal. You need to understand how to leverage this. Okay, 5K blueprint, how to scale up this business in a big way. Okay, all of that's included. And again, very simple. Here you go, 3 options. Most members are coming in at the $100 level because then you get to promote all 3. And you don't want to be in a situation where you have somebody that wants to join at the $100 level, but because you didn't join, they literally can't. They can only join the 25 and 50. And guess what? They're going to go into Google and find somebody else that has the $100 level, and they're going to join with them. So keep that in mind as you go out there and you're joining this business. Some people, may not have $100. Then, okay, join at the 50 and make 2 sales and then join at the 100. So you can get access to, promote all 3. So just a quick tip there. By the way, connect with me on Facebook, fb.com/yourmentorken. Link will be in the video description below as well. I give free tips all the time. I give free training, free tips, free advice to all my friends that connect with me here. And take advantage of that. I even do free funnel reviews. So if you want to send me your capture page, say, hey, Ken, take a look at this. Let me know if you think this will convert. I've done free reviews for several people to give them some tips and pointers, and they've been able to double their conversions on their capture page and sales funnels, because that's what I do. That's what I've been doing the past 10 years, and I love helping people with that. So take advantage of that as well. Okay, income disclaimer, I already mentioned that as well. No guarantees. It's all dependent on your effort. So that's what you get. That's the website. Now, what happens when you purchase that? Well, you get access to the training. So very simple. There's no login. You just get the link that we'll provide you, and this is what you get: step-by-step video instructions. Here you get your website. It's only $13 to get your website set up. Very easy. That goes right to the company. They're going to set everything up for you. Okay. Very, very good training here. All the bonuses are below: how to brand yourself, how to monetize creativity, how to post ads on groups. You get over 100 responsive Facebook groups. This alone is worth anything that you pay for, because groups are crushing it right now on Facebook if you have the right group and you know the right thing to say. Okay, here's your manual pre-written ads, high converting picture ads. These alone are worth $100 each. If you don't have the right ads to run in your business, you will fail every single time. Having the right ads is equally as important as having the right business. Okay, here you go. Here's the Facebook training and Instagram training, 5K takeover. Craigslist domination. They give you a free method to crush it on Craigslist. There's people on Craigslist promoting EPS, and they're making $100 a day, free, with a completely free method, honestly, that I didn't even think of prior to seeing it. So really, really cool stuff here. Shows you the top cities to go into, YouTube domination. They even give you Snapchat domination, and a sales closing script that if you did want to chat with someone on Facebook Messenger or even on the phone, you can do so with this script and close over 90% of your prospects. So guys, if you are looking for a way to make simple, stupid, simple income, EPS is a great option for you. Now, I told you to stick to the end to understand why is someone like me, 10 plus years online, I'm in a primary business that is substantially more than what EPS is, and rightfully so, because the product training you're getting is worth every bit of it. And if you're interested in what business that is, then you'll see the link in the description below for that as well. And I encourage you to check it out. So if I'm in this primary business that is a very high tier, very polished, very well-known affiliate marketing, digital marketing company, then why would I even consider adding a $25, $50, and $100 product package option to my marketing strategy? Very simple. Who wouldn't want to receive an extra 3 to 5K in instant paid commission directly to your PayPal that you could then take and fund 100% of that into your primary business? So take 3 to 5 grand a month, put it right into your primary business in the form of paid advertising that's converting really well, and scale up and expand and grow my primary business at an exponential rate. Okay, that is my strategy. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm showing this to you all, because that's a strategy you can do, and I encourage you to do if you're an experienced marketer. Okay, if you're someone that's starting out and you're brand new, then promote this business. Start making $25, $50, and $100 commissions right to your PayPal on a regular basis. And once you do that, then you probably want to look at a primary business that has capacity to earn even larger commissions, say $1,000 or $3,000 commissions when you're in a position to do that. But everyone has to start somewhere. And this is a great way to do that. So there you go. There you have it. This is my review of EPS. It has my stamp of approval for the 2 reasons that I just mentioned. If you have not joined, click my link below and let's get you started. Okay. What I'm going to do as a special bonus, everyone that joins from this YouTube video, okay, I need you to email me. You're going to have my email once you join, because that's how you're going to pay me through PayPal to join. I'm going to send you a special bonus that I have. I'm going to give you my top 7 traffic sources that I usually charge money for this. I'm going to give it to you completely free. These are sources that honestly have taken me years to uncover and thousands of dollars of testing to uncover as well. I'm going to give that to you completely free so you can scale up whatever business you're in, as well as EPS if you're in that, and just blow it out of the water, start making daily instant paid commissions right to your PayPal. So go ahead and join. Links in the description below. If you like this video, like my content, like what we're doing here, like the training that we're giving and the reviews that we're doing, then like the video and subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'm doing a traffic training series that's coming up that's going to blow your mind as well. You don't want to miss that. So again, subscribe and we will see you soon. Thanks for being here today. See you in the next video.